Kombiverkehr, Europe's leading neutral provider of intermodal rail transport services. In these times of increasing internationalization, the transport of goods and materials plays a more crucial role than ever before. A freight transport concept that is both innovative and integrated is absolutely essential for any forwarder or logistics company wishing to profit from economic growth. For me, the future of logistics is multimodal. I use trucks and trains. Intermodal transport extends the advantages of mass freight transport systems to traditional means of road transport. It is a logistics system in which standardized loading units alternate between modes of transport. The specific strengths of movement by rail are optimally combined with those of the road. Working in collaboration with DB Mobility Logistics and based on our terminal-to-terminal connections in over 30 countries, we offer the best possible availability, quality and safety. Kombiverkehr bundles shipments, relieves pressure on the roads, protects the environment and lowers costs. Over 170 direct and shuttle trains based on fixed contingents of rolling stock, together with 15,000 gateway connections, guarantee punctuality, reliability and maximum productivity day in, day out. The terminals are vital interfaces in our DE-Net and EU-Net Direct Plus networks. Whether en route from Hamburg to Munich, Gothenburg to Barcelona, or right across Europe from Rotterdam to Istanbul. Intermodal transport is impressively efficient over long distances. Trucks are used only in the vicinity of the terminals to pick up and drop off the loading units. Throughout the year, Kombiverkehr moves around 1 million truck consignments from sender to recipient from a total of 260 terminals within an international network. We provide efficient intermodal transport chains for optimal links between the modes of transport, road, rail, and last but not least, marine shipping. To rely on Kombiverkehr is to secure access to the transport model of the future. Intermodal transport guarantees us economy and efficiency at the same time. Not only does Kombiverkehr offer a more efficient and cost-effective alternative to sole reliance on the use of trucks, it also opens up the opportunity to compensate, as far as possible, for the increasing shortage of drivers, increasing restrictions and continual rises in the prices of diesel and road charges. Factors such as less capital tied up in vehicle fleets, unrestricted transport on Sundays and public holidays, and the 10% increase in load capacity are just some of the many competitive advantages. I use intermodal transport for our trailers and I always have everything under control with Kombiverkehr. We focus specifically on our customers and are geared towards the increasing demands of markets. This commitment has been the driving force behind Kombiverkehr for over 40 years. With the help of web-based services, our customers receive professional assistance with the scheduling of their shipments throughout Europe and personal support from staff who specialize in multimodal transport. But logistics optimization also requires communication between everyone involved to run without a hitch. This means that transport flows are preceded by an endless stream of information that makes it possible to have unlimited control over the whole process. Fixed timetables with specific pickup times, predictable journey times and ongoing checks on train movements and loading units are contained within our portfolio of services and can be accessed at any time through rapid channels of communication. This exceptional planning reliability also guarantees that every shipment reaches its destination safely and on time. To make sure that this remains the case on into the future, Kombiverkehr works with its business partners to design tailor-made logistics concepts for freight forwarders and for the industry, with a view not only to providing efficient and economic transport solutions, but also to developing successful long-term partnerships. Our chemical products go by rail because safety comes first. Safety always has top priority when it comes to intermodal transport. A recent study shows that the risk of accident for transport by rail is 40 times lower than with road transport. Assisted by its railway control system, with timetabled journeys at block intervals and the latest process control and safety technology, Kombiverkehr uses central production control and transport monitoring systems to guarantee not only smooth and safe operations, but also the utmost transparency in terms of shipment status, by day and by night. Our integrated terminal check-in procedure is yet another additional benefit. All delivered loading units are inspected to make sure that they are fit for dispatch, even before the final exit control on the railway. And finally, we use state-of-the-art monitoring technology, not only to identify each loading unit, but also to seamlessly track the transport of goods and products between terminals, anywhere, anytime.
With
Kombiverkehr, we've turned our company in the right direction when it comes to climate-conscious transport. Logistics solutions that conserve resources are a personal commitment, an active contribution to environmental protection, and a promise to future generations in equal measure. Even today, anyone who chooses Kombiverkehr reduces CO2 emissions by 2/3, and thanks to the use of renewable energies in the DE-Net Eco Plus network, can even transport their goods completely CO2-free. Cost-effective, safe, environmentally friendly. For me, Kombiverkehr is more than just a transport. Freight transport within Germany alone is expected to increase by 84% by 2025. There is no mistaking political demands or the fact that the pressure for environmentally sustainable methods of transport is increasing. The existing road infrastructure has become restricted in its ability to meet the rising demands of modern industry and commerce. That is why innovative intermodal transport and logistics concepts are more essential than ever before. Only in this way can a modern economy based on the division of labor function properly in the future. We open up the way to logistics that are both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Kombiverkehr, more than just a transport.